Hello, in this video I'm going to review the YESWELDER 15ft 250A Mig torch with the European style connector. It comes with a wrench and two tips. If you have a table, you could hold it like this if you have an angle or something. I'll test it here in a second. I'll bring an angle and fasten it to this table. The cable is flexible. And from tip to tip, it's 14 feet 9 inches. Not quite 15 feet. The reason I got this one, it's for the length, not more for the amperage. The original torch that came with the welder, it's only 10 feet. So this extra, about 5 feet, will give me plenty of work. I'm only planning to use it for MIG welding. When you are using a MIG torch for a flux core or MIG or whatever, the shorter the torch, the less problematic it will be. The longer the torch, you may have feeding issue or whatever. But this one feels solid, but at the same time flexible. So it should have no feeding issue. And now I'll connect it to the welder and change the wire because I have the flux core. I tested this welder on generator the last time and I have flux core loaded into it. No reason to waste the wire that's in the cable. The way I do it, I remove tension and then I roll the spool back. Make sure to hold the wire over here so it doesn't cause any problem. Like this. I will change the roller and install the MIG wire. I changed the spool, I also changed the roller and I have the right type and size of roller for this wire. And I removed the welding tip. This torch, it came with two 35 thousandths of inch or 0.9 millimeter tips and one 45 thousand or 1.2 millimeter. And they are different than the smaller torch. The smaller torch is 150 amp and it uses the smaller tips. Also, the nozzle, it's adjustable for the depth. Here, go this way. It has a recess over here to go over this nozzle, and this one, you could adjust it for your liking. I should have the torch lay flat on the ground when I feed the wire like this. However, I want to show you everything. There you go. This wrench serves no purpose. It doesn't fit anything. This is what I was talking about. If you have anything standing vertical on your welding cart or table, you could use this part and you could hang the torch vertical. I'm used to just lay the torch on my table. However, this, I really like it. It's kind of keep the table open. I'm using 30,000 inch wire and a roller. However, the tips that came with this torch, they all 35,000 and 45,000. YESWELDER, they should send all three sizes. This way you could try it out. They cheap, it's not big deal. You could buy these tips. However, for someone just buying the torch, they could try it with whatever wire they have. It's a heavy duty torch. It's meant to weld, you know, higher current wire like the 35,000 or the 45,000. But in my opinion, you should be able to use it with 30,000. So if you are planning to use this torch with 30,000 size wire, either flux core or Mig wire, make sure to buy this size of tips. Otherwise, I really like it. It's flexible. I have no feeding issue. And this over here, it's adjustable. You could easily pull it out. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support, and I'll see you later. Take care.